Hello and welcome to Travel Info TV. It's time for you to prepare for the upcoming NET exam that is coming up in probably July or August. Um, we'll look at certain different discrete topics. Now, the first topic that I would like to discuss will be national parks. Now, let's begin our session. Please do subscribe to my channel Travel Info TV. Like, share, and support. Now we look at national parks, certain definitions. Now, national park is an area where nature and animals are preserved by providing natural habitat and prey. Now, normally, the national park borders will be well defined. There won't be any private activities that are allowed inside a national park. Most or all of the activities are normally controlled by the government. Now, India has more than 100 national parks and 500 wildlife sanctuaries with an immense variety of flora and fauna. Now, flora is the plant life and fauna is the animal life, which you would be knowing. Now let's look at the national parks, the largest ones in size. Now Hemis is the largest national park in India with 4,400 square kilometers of area that comes in Jammu and Kashmir. This was established in 1981. Now you need to be thorough with the establishment year for some of the national parks. For some of the national parks, the location will be important. For some of them, the area will be important. And at times, the conserved species would be important. Now we have to look at them in different angles. So the first one would be the area-wise one. The second largest national park is Desert National Park that comes in Rajasthan, established in the year 1981. Again, this is more than 3,000 square kilometer, huge national park. Then the Gangotri Glacier Area National Park that comes in Uttarakhand, established in the year 1989. Namdapha that comes in Arunachal Pradesh, close to 2,000 square kilometers, established in the year 1974. Kanchenjunga, it comes in Sikkim, 1977. Now this is a mixed natural heritage site, which I have discussed in the previous slide, in the previous video. Now Guru Khasidas Sanjay National Park, it comes in Chhattisgarh, established in the year 1981. Now Gir National Park, established in the year 1965, comes in Gujarat. Now Sundarbans, one of the largest mangrove protection areas in the globe. It comes in West Bengal, established in the year 1984. Jim Corbett, it is part of Uttarakhand, established in the year 1936. Now mark this one, we'll be discussing it again in the later slide. Indravati is part of Chhattisgarh, established in the year 1974 with 1,250 square kilometers. Now the UNESCO, part of the UN, declares certain areas as natural heritage sites because of their strategic importance or the animal or the plant life. Now India has certain wonderful national parks and sanctuaries which protect certain discrete species, endemic and rather endangered species. Now because of their importance, they are declared as a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Sites. Now, some of the most important ones are Sundarban. This was the first declared UNESCO natural site in India that is part of West Bengal. It's a tiger conservation area and it has immense other wildlife. It is a continuing, like a large mangrove area projecting from India into Bangladesh also. Kaziranga, part of Assam, and Manas, again part of Assam, declared in 1985. There is another national park declared in 1985, that is Keoladeo Khana, that is part of Rajasthan. The Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary comes within the vicinity of this one. The Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park is part of Uttarakhand, established in 1988. The Western Ghats, it's a large area. It's a mountain range that runs from India's western coast. So that runs from Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and parts of Kerala that were declared in 2012. Now, the Great Himalayan National Park is part of Himachal Pradesh that was established in the year 2014. Now, certain endangered animals has to be conserved under strict observation. Now, India has plenty of them considering the large area of India. India has both endangered and endemic. Endemic means these animals will be found only in India. Endangered means the numbers are dwindling or they are close to extinction. Now, wild ass is a kind of a donkey that is found in Rann of Kutch Wild Ass Sanctuary, Gujarat. one-horned rhinoceros that is found in Kaziranga and Manas national parks of Assam. The one-horned rhinoceros are found in other nations also, like Nepal also, but India has the largest number of one-horned rhinoceros, or the Indian rhinoceros. The Bengal tiger. Now, India has a lot of Project Tiger reserves from northern part of India till the southern tip of India. Now, we are looking at only the three largest national parks that are conserving tigers. Sundarbans is part of West Bengal, Ranthambore is part of Rajasthan, and Bandhavgarh is part of Madhya Pradesh. Now, the Asiatic lion is found in Gir National Park in Gujarat. Now, that is the only natural habitat of Asiatic lion on the planet. The Great Indian Bustard is a large flying bird. It is probably the heaviest flying bird on the planet. Now, it is found primarily in arid areas of India. The most important one is Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary, dedicated bustard sanctuary found in Maharashtra, and Ghatigaon Sanctuary. It is found in Ghatigaon, is found in Madhya Pradesh. The olive ridley turtle, it's a marine animal. It comes to the land to lay eggs, and the hatchlings then go back to the sea. This is primarily protected in Gahir Mata Turtle Sanctuary in Odisha. A couple of spelling errors are coming up there. I mean, doesn't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Gangetic dolphin is a freshwater dolphin, one of the rarest animals on the planet. It is found only in Indian freshwater bodies, like large rivers like Ganga. The Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is a primary protection area in Bihar. The vultures, again, vultures are endangered because of poisoning by people, and because they are considered pests. In fact, they are the cleaners of the nature actually. Ram Devra Bhatta Vulture Sanctuary is one dedicated vulture sanctuary in Karnataka. Sloth bear, uh, an important animal found in Indian forest. Daroji Bear Sanctuary in Karnataka. Sangai is a bear. Sangai is an antelope that is found in Manipur. In Kabul Lamjau National Park. Again, that national park has another peculiarity. We will discuss it later. The saltwater crocodile is a pretty dangerous animal, pretty large crocodile species that is found in Bhitarkanika in Odisha. This is otherwise found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This animal is otherwise found in Australia only, and parts of Indonesia and other, uh, Indian Ocean territories. Now, Gharial is a fish-eating crocodilian species that is found in National Chambal Sanctuary in UP, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. Grizzled giant squirrel is a tree-based animal that is found in Sri Villuputtur Wildlife Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. A clouded leopard is a different cat species. It is not actually a leopard. It's a different thing with a different kind of coat. It is found in Clouded Leopard National Park in Tripura. Now, holo gibbon is an ape species. Ape means chimpanzee, gorilla, and orangutan. These are other ape species. These are similar to mankind basically. Gibbon is the only kind of ape that is found in India. Now, Hulongapar Gibbon Sanctuary is a protection area that is found in Assam. Hangul is a large goat-like animal that is found in Dachigam National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Snow leopard, one of the rarest of the big cats actually, that is found in Hemis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Nilgiri tar, it's a goat-like animal. It is very rare actually, very critically endangered. This is a state animal of Tamil Nadu, particularly protected in Iravikulam National Park, Kerala. Lion-tailed macaque, a pretty peaceful kind of monkey, species animal that is found in Silent Valley National Park, Kerala. This was critically endangered, but the numbers are actually coming up, both Nilgiri tar and lion-tailed macaque. The conservation activities are very effective in both these national parks. The black buck is a antelope. It is found in Jayamangali Black Buck Reserve in Karnataka and Gindi National Park in Chennai or Tamil Nadu. Some interesting facts. Now, let's look at the largest number of national parks within a state or a union territory. Now, Madhya Pradesh and Andaman share this particular record with 9 national parks each. Now, Andaman, if you think of it, it'll be like you would think about it as a smaller union territory, but it has a lot of conservation importance. The largest national park in India It is Hemis National Park with 4,400 square kilometers in Jammu and Kashmir. The smallest national park in India is South Button Island, found in Andamans, with zero point 0.3 square kilometers only. The oldest national park in India is Jim Corbett. The previous name was Haley. It was established in 1936. The first marine national park, floating national park, is Kebul Lamchau, found in Manipur. In fact, this is the only floating national park in the whole world. Now, the state or union territory with the largest number of wildlife sanctuaries, Andaman again, with 96 wildlife sanctuaries. Look at the importance. The youngest national park is Kuno. I think it's in Madhya Pradesh, declared in 2018. That's all for this episode. I'll be coming up with more slides with other discrete topics, particularly related to theory and all. I'll keep you posted. All the best for the upcoming exams. Please subscribe to my channel, share, support, and like. Thank you.